Hey, today we are going to make a scrambled tofu. These are the ingredients. First, break up or mash the tofu with fork. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and fry the onions for 5 minutes until slightly brown. That might take about maybe 5 minutes. Add minced garlic and continue to fry. All my spices and then fry them again a little bit more, maybe for a minute or two. And then this I've mashed it already, so now I'm just gonna add that. Continue to fry for 5 minutes. Continue to fry until the color of the tofu have changed to yellow. So I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of milk. That is done. Enjoy. Scrambled tofu is ready. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.